What?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate this donut?
10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10.
10 wins.
Excuse me, miss. Why are you wearing sunglasses indoors?
I'm blind. I can't see anything. They're prescription.
It's cold.
Okay, anything else?
Has really big biceps.
Anything else?
Nothing
Athena
else.
has really big biceps. No, I can't believe I'm actually driving. Asians have the worst driving skills. Look at that, I'm doing one-hand drive. Why is she sticking the middle finger at you, Kevin? Why? Tell me why.
We have so much.
No, this is nothing.
See the Hattie B's in Nashville? We're gonna be tasting these damn hot wings. Get myself some honey mustard.
Damn right.
See, we put that water over there because I don't need it. I don't need it.
He's no whip. He's no whip.
I know I'm not eating no whip. How am I supposed to eat this?
Just put it in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth.
Put it in my mouth, right? Right.
Oh,
Ready?
here we go. What's your initial impression?
Damn, this is really good.
Alright, just let the heat kick in before. Is it hot?
It's spicy. It's spicy. It's not that bad.
Really? Really?
No. It's kicking in. It's kicking in. It's kicking in now. Oh, water. You see some fries, you know. Oh, that's good. These fries are really good.
Yeah.
I saved half for you.
Alright,
I saved half for you. Chen, where are we?
Where are we, Chen? What is that?
What's up?
Noise. We
Look
can't
what I
even-
found. Look what I found.
What did you find? Restrooms? You need to go? I'm gonna get at least 40 points.
40 points.
40 points. Are you
Okay.
ready? Are you ready?
Alright, yeah.
20? Alright, I'll take that.
Okay, alright.
Miss it.
Is that another? What is that?
16.
16?
Miss it.
I think that's 9.
45 points. 45 points.
Okay, alright, Chen, you have to beat 45 points. I think you have talent. Go for it. Any words for the opponent? Any words for the opponent?
My goal is not to miss 3 of them. I mean 3 of them all.
Alright. Which board are you hitting? Chen, you're actually doing really badly right now. Wait, don't pull it. I wanted to.
One more time.
Alright, Chen has a leading of 0 points.
What are you trying to get?